Welcome back to our channel. This is another one of our Arduino projects. This one is called the Remitz timer. So here we have kind of like a timer thing. This is where the 60 seconds is and the 30 seconds will start. We'll show you right now how it works. So it's already set at the 30 seconds. So if I press this button, it should start ticking. See, as it starts ticking down, it's kind of like a stopwatch. And at the end of the stopwatch timer, there will be an alarm and a light that will start blinking.
Now, while we wait for the timer to end, I'll show you the coding. So in the coding, we have a button. So this will represent our button. And once we hit the button, it'll set the position of it'll set a variable, which will be 90. And it'll go back down here and it'll set it to, rotate the servo motor to the variable. So then once you click the second button, so then the same thing for 180 degrees, once you hit the second button, it'll start counting it down it'll put the variable that I set in, so imagine 180 degrees, it'll minus it by 1 every time, and it'll wait 0.31 seconds, which is how we time it to make sure that's actually 30 seconds or a minute. Now we go a little further down. This is for the ultrasonic sensor for at the end once the alarm turns on, which will stop the light and the speaker from making any noise. So now look, the alarm's
so as
on.
you see, the light is blinking, and if you turn up your volume, you can hear a little beeping sound. It's just another effect that we use to make kind of like a sort of alarm clock. And if we put our hand over this sensor over here,
Put it in a little bit.
it should stop
It should
every
stop.
effect. So there it is, the Remitz timer by Jeremy M. and Gabriel M.
Thank you. Oh, and some of the difficulties we had throughout the process of building our clock is that the wiring is kind of difficult to set since Arduino's inside, and every time we'd close the lid, the wires would disconnect from the Arduino, so we'd have to open it, and it was kind of difficult to set up until it was actually working. But now we redid all the wiring, organized it decently, and now it's working.
Thanks again for tuning in to our YouTube channel.
Bye.